Namaste. Welcome. So this is a follow-up tutorial for the breaths of fire, the Kapalbhati Kriya. Now, this is not the full tutorial. I've given the full workshop of this method a while back, so you may want to take a look at that lesson. Actually, I've given a few lessons about this. I will be including those links as well down the description box below. So today's lesson will be about reinforcing the release. Yeah, one of the challenges actually of this method is when you're about to release a technique, because the energy drops and you don't want just to exhale the breath out, otherwise it might put unnecessary pressure inside the vital organs of the body. So when you are about to release the method, I recommend that you take just a light clip of breath, yeah, so you can just collect the energy up. You are lifting the pressure up, so when you release the breath, you keep everything light inside the body. Yeah, so I will be showing you a couple of repetitions, and then you can add this technique to your practice. All right, so first breath pattern, normal breath in and the retention, and then the second breath pattern is the shallow breath. Yeah, so breathing in, retain, second breath, shallow breath, when you're ready to release, just take an extra light breath in, just a light one, just to lift the energy up, and then slowly release all the air out. Right, and then breathing in again, nice and light, keep the spine open. Shallow breath is next. A light clip of breath, and then slowly release the technique. Good. So that extra light breath you take before the release is an energetic lift. That's actually your bandha supporting you, especially when you are releasing the method. So you don't put the pressure down the internal organs of the body. Yeah. So adding that technique will keep the method light and supported overall. Yeah, so yeah, keep the practice going until the next tutorial. Namaste.